Good morning, class. Today we will start our new chapter and the last chapter of our SST, that is struggles for equality. As you know that the same title we have discussed in the first chapter in this book, that is equality. So here we will see that the all mm, examples have been discussed which we read in the previous chapter, that is our first chapter. So struggles for equality means how the people like who are lack of resources and poverty and the social discrimination just they feel. So we'll discuss them and some more factors of the struggle we will discuss in this chapter. So as it is given in the introduction that different characters what we read in the previous chapter, that is Kanta, Ansari, Melani, then Swapna, they were the poor people and they all faced inequality in society. Like someone is like because of caste, someone is because of poverty, someone is because of religion, and how they can face this inequality and what shall they do in their life. So we will discuss all these reason behind this. So history is full of example of persons who have come together and fight against inequality and for the issue of justice. So like another character, if we see that Rosa Park in the first chapter, and she was facing again the discrimination, and another character like in women movement we have seen many one. So because women get lower wages when they work on in the same platform where the men are working. So why it happens for the women only. So in this chapter you will learn about some of the ways in which people have struggled against inequality. Now this is the collage which is given before you, and you can see that nobody is belonging to the high class, everyone is belonging to the poor class, or you can say the people who are earning, and especially we can see the lower segment of society which are financially weak. So let's begin. This is only the revision of the first chapter. Here we will see and simultaneously we will discuss the example and the system what it says in democracy. So as you have already read in the book, the Indian constitution recognizes all Indian as before we people are equal before the law, and the states that no person can be discriminated against because of their religion, sex or caste, and whether they are rich or poor, means irrespective of their caste, gender, religion, and if people are discussing all these kind of situations like in on a universal adult franchise. So when we know that all adults are in India have equal right to vote. So during election, when we see that different kind of people are standing in a same queue, as we read in the first chapter, the Kanta is standing in the same view where all you can say working person, rich person, they are standing in the queue. So there only we get the equal right. In political arena we get the equal right while we are casting our vote. So election, so this is the power of the ballot box. Power of the ballot box means on that particular political ground we are equal, there is no any discrimination among the people. So it has been also used by the people to elect or replace their representative, and by this people get right that they can replace the representative, means this is only the power of ballot box, that people can elect their wished or choice representative, or they can make the government. So but this feeling of equality that the ballot box provides because of the vote of one person is a good that of another does not extend most of the people's lives. Here we again are discussing about the equality the that ballot box provides because of the vote of a person. Means here, irrespective of caste, color, creed and gender, we people are equal. And here we don't see that which kind of religious person is standing before and after us. And another is that if we say what is the caste of person who are standing in the queue. So these are the many things when we can say that we are equal before the hospitals have made it difficult for the most of poor people like Kanta, Hakim Sheikh, and Aman to get good equality health care. So here we'll see like the people who are poor, they cannot afford good kind of hospital in private hospital because of money only. So these people do not have resources to afford expensive private health services. So this here we feel that the people who are poor, they are discriminated, they are not equal because financial background is not equal of anyone. So similarly, the man who sells juice. Here is another example is given. Suppose a juice vendor who is selling juice on the roadside, standing with his stall and selling the juice, and he, because of the lack of money, he cannot brand his juice, and we know that the quality of juice is better than which we take, which are popularly advertised by the people. So means he is not selling the branded one but is selling the quality, but because of money that he cannot make the advertisement of his product. Another takes Swapna. She was a farmer, we know, and she was not having the good resources, and whatever the cotton she grows, that is she takes loan from the farmer, and after that she sells the cotton on the low price. Why? Because she doesn't have any approach to the market. Same kind situation happens with Melanie was a domestic worker, remember in the previous chapter we read, and she is मतलब क्या होता है उसके साथ कि she always feel humiliated, she you can say the insult and hardship always she face, but after that she doesn't say anything. Why? Because of need of job. ठीक है, because if means she will lose the job. So this is the way where the people feel means unequal. So she has no resources to set up something for her own. So poverty and lack of the resources continue to be taken to be the key reason. So mainly these two things are main, like the resource, lack of resource is the one of the main reason, another is poverty. So these two reasons are by which people feel unequal. Okay, so in this video till here we'll discuss. In the next video we'll see the further portion of the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.